Hi friends, how are you? I'm again come back with my another watercolor video. So today I will share a cityscape from India. So in this painting you can see I create the city and I will try my best to explain you how I arrange the color and how I apply the color in my painting. So first I complete the drawing and then I wash the sky area and apply cobalt blue and ultramarine blue mixture. The pigmentation is 3 on 10 or 5 on 10. Then I start to create the main building, and the main building I use burnt sienna and yellow ochre, and you can see how I create the first one. And when the main building color is totally dry, then I apply the shadow part. For the shadow area I use ultramarine blue and little bit of crimson, so it will create a purple tone, and I think this is a suitable color for this building for the shadow part, so I use it. And step by step I create the other buildings and the auto, the scooter, and the people are going. So I think this video will really help you. Thank you guys.